In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently add a contractor in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to ensure your contractor is set up correctly for smooth financial operations. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into QuickBooks Online. For optimal performance, it's recommended to open QuickBooks in Google Chrome. Once your browser is up, head over to the QuickBooks website. You'll then need to enter your username and password and sign in. A quick tip here is to ensure your credentials are secure and memorable. Always keep your login details in a safe place to prevent any hassles in accessing your account. With the login complete, shift your focus to the left-hand sidebar on your QuickBooks dashboard. You'll want to locate the Expenses option here. Clicking on it will open up a range of options related to your expenses. At this point, select the Vendors tab. This is where you'll manage all the vendors and contractors associated with your business. Now it's time to add your new contractor. Look up to the top right corner of your screen and you'll see a New Vendor button. Give that a click. This is where you'll input all the necessary details for your contractor. As you add your contractor, you'll need to fill in their name, email, phone number, and address. It's crucial to enter the details accurately, especially if you plan to generate 1099 forms for them in the future. Having precise information will save you time and effort come tax season. Double check each entry to make sure all the details are correct. Once you've entered all the requisite information, you can go ahead and click Save at the bottom of the page. But before you do that, there's a helpful tip to consider. If this contractor will be a regular payee, you might want to toggle the option to Track Payments for 1099. Enabling this means QuickBooks will automatically keep tabs on payments, making it much easier when it comes to issuing 1099 forms at the end of the year. With your contractor now added, you're ready to set up payments. QuickBooks Online provides several payment options. You can choose to pay your contractor via an expense, a check, or a bill. This flexibility allows you to select the method that works best for your financial processes. And that's it. You've successfully added a contractor to QuickBooks Online. This setup will help streamline your financial transactions, ensuring a smooth and efficient workflow as you manage your expenses. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.